Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am participating in a challenge that's hosted by Zane at Home with Zane, and it's called Dress Up My Dresser or Dress Up Your Dresser. Anyway, I am making over a dresser, not really making over a dresser. It's a dresser that's in the guest room, which nobody ever uses. Hence the reason it's been sitting like this for a while. But I am doing, trying to dress up my dresser. Basically, dress up the dresser that's in the guest room. So I'm going to show you a little befores of the dresser. Actually, I can't show you the before because we picked this dresser up on the street. I picked this dresser up on the street. That's a long story too. I picked this dresser up on the street about 4 years ago. I was driving down the street, saw the dresser, and circled back, saw that it said free. Drove back to the house, picked up hubby, who didn't want to come with me, but dragged him along, shoved the dresser into the back of my SUV, made it home, put it into the garage, and subsequently painted. It was brown wood dresser, really sturdy dresser, small dresser, just like we needed for the guest room. Really sturdy brown dresser, and we painted it black. So what you'll see is the after of the before, and then the after of the after. If that makes sense. Stick around, guys, and it's Dress Up My Dresser and a collab with At Home with Zane. I'll come back on later. See ya. Let's change out the knobs first and then get started. All the knobs off, and now it's time to put on all the new knobs. So this is where I am right now. I've changed out the knobs, relocated a lamp. Ooh, you can't even see it because it's on. Let me turn that off so you can see that a little bit. It's a glass lamp, but it looks like it's invisible when the light's on. So let's see how I can dress up the dresser just a little bit more. This is a guest room. I don't want to have too many things going on, and hopefully it won't get junked up like it did last time. So I'll come back on in a second. There is always room for a little blue and white, isn't there? Oh my goodness, I just relocated one of my blue and white bowls or flower pots to this dresser. That's not bad. And I popped a little white rabbit on top for a little taste of Easter. So it's not bad, right? It's nice and clean. I'm liking it.